What if Mars replaced the moon? Firstly, if Mars replaced the moon, Mars is used to revolving around the sun. Like moon, it may not revolve around Earth. Secondly, if Mars replaced the moon, astronauts who are just about to land on the moon may have to quickly change their plans. Thirdly, moon shines brightly in the night sky. If Mars replaced the moon, our nights may not seem that beautiful anymore. Fourthly, moon influence waves in our oceans. If Mars replaced the moon, Mars is almost double in size of the moon. Even the size of whale may double. Fifthly, if Mars replaced the moon, moon may join hands with other moons. They may toss Mars out of the solar system. Lastly, if Mars replaced the moon, other moons may get worried. They might starting learning kung fu.